We want to find tangent of the sum alpha plus beta. We use the sum identity for tangent. Then it equals, in the numerator, tangent of alpha plus tangent of beta. In the denominator, we have 1 minus tangent of alpha times tangent of beta. We are given that sine of alpha equals 3/5, and alpha is in the first quadrant. We use our memorization figure. All students take calculus using the abbreviations ASTC. Since alpha is in the first quadrant, all of sine, cosine, and tangent of angles in the first quadrant are positive. And it's a bit easier in this case. We draw a right triangle. With one of the angles is alpha. Sine of alpha, we can treat it as opposite over hypotenuse. So we write down 3 for the opposite side of alpha and 5 for the length of the hypotenuse. Let the base be x. Using Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared. X squared plus 9 equals 25. X squared equals 16. X equals plus or minus 4. Since alpha is in the first quadrant, we can just write x equals 4. Then tangent of alpha, we can treat it as opposite over adjacent equals 3/4. We are also given that cosine of beta equals 12 over 13, and beta is in the fourth quadrant. We have to be a bit more careful and remember that in the fourth quadrant, only cosine function out of sine, cosine, tangent is positive. Instead of drawing beta, in this case, we will draw the reference angle. We call it beta prime inside a right triangle. Cosine function, we can look at it as adjacent over hypotenuse. So we put 12 as the length of the adjacent side and 13 as the length of the hypotenuse. Let the height of this triangle be the absolute value of y. If we put one corner of this triangle in the origin, align with the origin, and then the coordinate of where the right angle is at will be 12, 0. The coordinate of the third point will be 12, y. Since beta is in the fourth quadrant, and beta prime is the reference angle, we know that y is less than 0. We use Pythagorean theorem. We have the absolute value of y all squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. The absolute value of y all squared plus 144 equals 169. The absolute value of y all squared equals 25. Y equals plus or minus 5. Since we know that y is less than 0, y equals negative 5. Then tangent of beta equals opposite over adjacent, which is negative 5 over 12. We substitute tangent of alpha and tangent of beta into